Hey you guys, good morning. I hope you guys' day is starting off well. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I really do appreciate it. Before you leave, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. So I'm coming back to you guys today with the same craft, but just to give you an update on what I have going on. Remember you guys, I told you that I was missing two H's on this craft because I only had purchased one pack of letters and numbers. So I went back to Michael's yesterday and they didn't have the same type of letters and numbers in this type of style. So I picked up these, and these have both letters and numbers in it. And yes, this time we got two packs. And these letters and numbers for two packs was $7.99 each from Michael's. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now, taking off all of these letters and numbers and replacing it with these. So I'll be taking pictures of this when I'm done, and I will be posting it on my blog, which is chanelkalex.wordpress.com. And you can also find those pictures on Twitter and on Instagram at chanelkalex. All right, you guys, that's it. I'll be talking to you in the next one.